Today's video will show you step-by-step process on how to disable Google Password Manager on Chrome. Google Password Manager is designed to store and autofill your password across various websites. So to disable your Google Password Manager, open up Google Chrome in your web browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Locate and click on Settings. In the Settings section, you click on Autofill and Password. Now, you click on Google Password Manager. Now, these are all the websites that have saved your password. At the left-hand side of the screen, you click on Settings. Then, you turn this switch off to offer Save Password and Keys. You also turn off to sign in automatically. Once that is done, you have successfully disabled your Google Password Manager in Chrome. Another way to do this is to click on your profile icon in your Chrome browser. Click on Manage your Google accounts. Once the page is opened, you click on Security. You scroll down and select Password Manager. You click on it. So, these are all the sites that has your password. Now, at the top here, you click on the Settings gear icon and you toggle the switch to offer to save password and to auto sign in. You also off the password alerts. So that is how you disable Google Password Manager on Chrome. Hope this helps you out. Ensure to give it a try and don't forget to like and subscribe to TechSoft channel for more contents like this.